Autumn is here, and what's cozier than a warm cup of tea? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to draw this adorable teapot. This is just a sneak peek of my full tutorial where I also share 2 extra autumn illustrations and teach you how to create the perfect seamless pattern repeat. If you would like to see the entire process, you can join my Patreon or channel membership for full access. For this tutorial, I'm using canvas size 2048 pixel by 2048 pixel. You can always grab my color palette for free. I'll include the link in the description below. Now grab your sketching tools. Let's get started. For sketching, I'm using my 𝚁𝚊𝚌𝚑𝚎 brush with a navy blue color. Instead of a raw outline, I'll sketch directly with the colors I'll be using for the final drawing. So we will start sketching and coloring right away. I start sketching the teapot with straight lines instead of my usual curved ones to match the reference more closely and build its basic shape. You can always give your drawing a personal twist, but today I'll be sketching the teapot just as it is in the reference. Of course, feel free to make it your own, add little details, soften the shapes, or play with colors. The most important thing is that your drawing feels cozy and lovely to you. I always like to use the editing and selection tools to gently refine my shapes and make little adjustments. Taking a moment for these small tweaks can really help your drawing feel just right, cozy, polished, and full of charm. Now I'm done drawing my sketch and I'll move to the next step, which is coloring. As you see, I'm still working on the same layer, and I choose the red to fill in with the shape. So I just drag and drop in the color. Now I'll use the navy blue to color the top of the teapot, and I'm still using my 𝚁𝚊𝚌𝚑𝚎 brush for this step. Here is my teapot is ready to add details. I'll create a new layer and I'll turn on clipping mask. So I'm still using the 𝚁𝚊𝚌𝚑𝚎 brush to add details for my teapot, but I make it smaller and I'll start drawing using the yellow color. I'll draw the plants as it is in the reference, but you can always choose to do whatever you like here, but I'll try to match the drawing to the reference. Now I'll add extra details by using sketch pencils to add tiny lines to my drawing. Now I'll use the selection tool to select those flowers and copy them. Then I'll use again the selection tool to adjust my drawing place, and then I'll use flip tool to flip those flowers. And now I'm done adding those details to the teapot. For shading, I'll create a new layer above the teapot, set it to multiply mode, and I will use my grainy texture brush. I'll use the same red to add shadows to the teapot. Here I'm using the lighter shade of red just to make the color looks natural. After I finish, I lower the layer opacity to 81 just to make the shadows look natural. And to finish the drawing, I'll add those flowers and extra details just like dots to make the teapot looks cozier. And now I'm done drawing this cute teapot. Hope you enjoy watching. If you have any questions or recommendations, please leave them in the comments below. If you draw this cute teapot, don't forget to mention me on Instagram. I would love to see your version. Join my Patreon or a YouTube membership for exclusive content. See you in the next video. Bye bye.